Working in progress. Welcome to Baguio Central School, the oldest public elementary school in the Philippines and delivering quality education since 1899. In behalf of the faculty, administration, and to my co-advisor of Smart Learning Community of Baguio Central School, Ms. Stephanie Raquel Catonton, I am Conrado B. Mapili Jr., your presenter for this evening. Before we proceed to the best practices of Baguio Central School, let me present first the basic information of our school. Baguio Central School was established on September 2, 1899, with the supervision and leadership of our father, Sir Jackson P. Cayaos. Baguio Central School is molding 3,324 learners who will be trained to be globally competitive in the future. Smart Learning Community started in school year 2023-2024, targeting the grade 3 learners with 6 teachers who are trained to be part of the SLC of Baguio Central School. Luckily, we are able to open 2 sections to be part of fun, meaningful, engaging, ICT integrated learning under the SLC program. The 2 sections are under the care of Mr. Conrado B. Mapil Jr., P. Masipag, with 38 learners, and Miss Stephanie Raquel M. Kapunpon of 3 Mahinahon with 37 learners, a total of 75 learners out of 599 learners of the grade 3 pupils of Baguio Central School. The schedule of the 2 grade 3 under the SLC program are formulated and crafted carefully by the administrators, coordinators, and the master teachers to be able to maximize learning the learners who are enrolled in the said program. Allow me to share to you our best practices, starting with hybrid learning. Simultaneously conducting face-to-face and online classes via MS Teams, we ensured that activities and lessons will be participated by the online class as if they are inside the classroom. The recorded lessons during the hybrid is uploaded in our FB page of both Mahinahon and Masipag in order that the lesson will be reviewed and watched by the learners when they are at home. There is a master read when they watch the recorded lesson again. These learners that needed remediation or enhancement or don't have any gadgets or don't at home or no one can assist them at home are asked to be everyday face-to-face. Handle on the integration of ClassPoint and quizzes in the teaching learning process. These applications are free and it maximizes the teaching learning process. Class points are used for the interactive activities during class discussions so that the pupils are engaged and part of the lesson. We use word clouds, multiple choices, and open questions wherein the learners can answer using their tablets. Quizzes are used during discussions in a way that the lessons can be mastered. Engaging activities that are made online or personalized can be done individually or by group, since there is mastery of the lessons. Quizzes is used also during the exam for the teachers input their questions and the learners can access it during the scheduled exam, where they will answer using their tablet. The good feature of this application is that their answers and their time is recorded, and once the exam is done and ended, it is automatically checked in the quizzes and result can be downloaded by the teachers. Next one, using interactive online educational games and mathematical online games are very useful in our lessons for mastery and enhancement of the lessons so that learners can understand our daily lessons. We also integrate and use these applications and online educational resources during Catch-up Fridays. We use AI so that the learners have better learnings. online Googles, word spelling bees, online chess, online mathematical games wherein they can answer by group or individual, and online topic language. All this application is to develop the reading skills, comprehension skills, and remediation for our learners that are having difficulties in reading and in mathematics. We also integrate in our lessons the ICT or computer education. Creating FB page is very useful where we post our high-flex recorded lessons, PowerPoint presentations, step-and videos, and other online educational resources, activities, assignments, and announcements. We maximize the use of the Facebook for the learning of our learners, and it is the trend of the 21st century education. Now, let's proceed with the challenges in our school. Number 1, lack of active tablets. Only 23 tablets are functional. Hence, the solution is, due to the lack of tablets, 1 tablet is 2 learners for the 75 learners and the 2 sections. Next one, internet connection. Slow. So, as the result or solution, the teacher prepares recorded left and videos in case the internet connection is low, and now, since the Gabaldon and the grade 2 and grade 3 buildings are under construction, we don't have yet internet connection are connected in the office of the principal. This problem is not a hindrance for us not to meet our learners online. We use our data from our cell phones and leave it inside our pockets for loads, since our heart and passion is in teaching. Next, lack of classrooms. Again, since the government, the grade 2 and grade 3 classrooms are under constructions, the school head had already prepared a contingency plan for the building construction, and all grade levels at Barrio Central School is half day. And we shared classrooms. Unlike for the other classes that are half day, the Smart Learning Community included 3 days face-to-face and 2 days online. All learning subjects are taught in, and there is 50 minutes for the major subjects and 40 minutes for the minor classes. Okay, now let's proceed now to the feedback. We conducted online survey for the improvement of our class. So, let's start with the benefits. Check child progress. Parents and guardians are able to check child progress. Next, learners can learn in their comfort zones, get enough rest, think creatively as educational resources are available and applications that are useful to develop their learnings. Lessons are personalized and contextualized, reduces expenses in transportation, and help the learners to enhance their skills in using technology. Learners has better learning through maximizing the use of technology. Virtual learning is enhanced, like listening to the daily lessons, and parent-child relation is developed. Allow learners to adapt to fast changes in the ICT world and allows them to finish their work online and rest. Challenges: internet connection is slow or no data. As a solution, pre-recorded lessons and recorded high-flex lessons are uploaded online so that they can watch anytime and anywhere our daily lessons. Learners are in not attention when left alone at home, and no one will take care of them. Since both parents are working, the given solution by the advisors are those who needs remediation or enhancement And those learners that don't have anyone at home to assist during online class are asked to come every day in school or every day face-to-face to give their needs and their we can focus our learnings in classroom. So, as overall, Baguio Central School has developed and give 100% and maximizes the smart learning community. I am Fernando V. Mapili Jr., your presenter for this morning. Thank you.